Well, if your iPhone 7 is making a hissing noise, you're not supposed to worry because you're apparently not the only one who's hearing it.
Yes, it's happening. Apple has received several complaints that the iPhone 7 and the iPhone 7 Plus producing a strange hissing or some kind of a buzzing sound.
They always say, oh, don't worry. And then you have like things like the Samsung Galaxy
Right,
7
yeah.
exploding in your pocket.
The unusual sound is heard when processor intensive apps such as gaming, apparently when they're used, that's when you start hearing it, or when the device appears to be under stress.
Well, if the device is under stress, something's wrong.
That's true. How can my device be stressed? It's supposed to help me not be stressed.
I know.
Anyway, iPhone users have started posting videos on Twitter of their phones making that noise. So if you think yours might be making the noise too, go check it out. It remains unclear how widespread the issue actually is. Apple has not yet responded.